explain you my new indicator. It's a pivots plotter. First of all, let me explain you what exactly pivots plotter is. This is a very basic indicator which will tell you the calculated values of support and resistance, and also the pivot point for a particular time frame. This is quite nicely used by a lot of traders to understand where the possible and probable resistance and support levels are. And personally I use this one in my strategy for calculating for identifying the reversal or rejection points. I'll show you in a minute how it really works. Just go to the indicator list. You have pivots plotter. So the way it works is it calculates the periods to plot. Let's say I want to plot for one day. You can either have for current 1 minute. It doesn't make any sense to use 1 minute and 5 minutes and 15 minutes on a higher time frame. So better to have higher time frames on a lower time frames. For example, if I choose 5-minute time frame, I better to have 4 hours or 1 day or 1 week or 1 month. So this is how it is. And if I say set 4 hours, and these are all like style of pivot lines and the width of the pivot plot, however you wish to have, just the settings of how do you used to see them. And if I just say okay, so now you can see for every 4-hour period it calculates the pivot levels. So it's very easy to identify the formula. I generally follow Investopedia to understand how this is calculated. I'll show you a link here. You can see here you have pivot point, previous high, press previous low, and previous close by 3. So this is a basic formula that is used by all the indicators or all the developers to identify pivot or plotting of pivots. So that is how it is. You can search for it on the internet, how to identify the pivot points. Generally most of the traders identify it using an indicator like I did here. So how it is used, let's have a look at it. So after this period ends, it identifies the next levels. It says resistance 1, resistance 2, and if you go a little bit down, resistance 3. So you can see here, if the price comes to R1, it gets rejected. Likewise, it comes to S1, it gets rejected. Likewise, it comes to R1 here, move from R1 to R2, it got rejected. So if you know the theory of support and resistance, then you know this for sure that you need to have this pivots plotter. It's very useful. I personally use it in all the time frames, all my strategies to work. And like you can see here, if I use 15-minute time frame, it is quite nicely used here. You can see here it went all the way here and got rejected. So there is a possible chance that after getting rejected here, the candle is going to go down. So that is how I use this pivots plotter to identify the possible rejection points in the currency pair. So that's all for this indicator, and I'll see you with another indicator of mine. Thank you.